Hi y'all, Nick here. Hope you're having a great day. I am a licensed certified architect in the US. I like to do these Revit videos to help those who may need it. So whatever your experience level, it may help you, it may not. So we're doing a video today on views, specifically a quick way to add a view template to cut sections or elevations prior, as you create instead of after the fact. So it's just a nice save time feature that I wanted to show you, and we'll take a look at how it works. So without further ado, what I'm talking about is if I click on this section here, I'm in a floor plan, I'm clicking on this section. I can set my far clip by dragging it. You can also set it over here on the right. And I like to set it to a foot because I don't like my clip of my section to grab things in the view that I don't want to see necessarily. But that's not what we're talking about today. We're talking about this edit type within the wall section and this option here where you can set a view template to this wall section type. And once it's set, it's set. You can change it, of course, but once it's set, any wall sections you cut will automatically grab that view template. That saves a ton of time, and also just like it's a peace of mind thing knowing that your wall section already has a view template on it as you cut it. It's kind of nice. You already know what scale it's going to look like right when you get into it. And I would highly recommend. I think a lot of people use this. Although I've heard a lot of people that don't even know about it. So this is a nice little tool. If you click here, this is where you select. These are my existing templates, right? And you can just select whatever template you'd like that you've created. I'm not going to get into view template creation at all in this video. You can then select new views are dependent on template. I would recommend selecting that checkbox because that just means as the view template changes later on, it still applies to existing sections in this instance. So I would recommend checking that and then selecting a view template here. So once that view template's selected under wall section, the key is that you're using this wall section type, right? So say I have let's delete this section. Let's go and create a new section. And I'm just going to show you kind of more clearly how this is working. No, I don't want to save the project. I could definitely stop those notifications if I wanted, and I should. But so I'm creating this section. I'm going to select building section in this instance, and I'm going to go here. And I know this isn't a typical building section, but let's set the far clip to a foot, and let's take a look at over here on the far right project browser. This view template is set to none, right? Because we don't have anything set up under the edit type for the view template. So let's do that. Let's set up a view template for this building section. Maybe we want a section of a building. Let's select this one. 1/8 inch scale. Looks good. Looks good to go. Okay. So that's selected now for a view template and it's checkmarked. Okay, great. So say I create another one now. So this one's not going to have it, right? There's no view template still there because we've already created it before we set that in motion. But if I were to create another building section now, right next to it, right? And I just like to do this. And we have another one right next to it. And look, it already has that view template applied. How beautiful is that? That is gorgeous. So gorgeous. I love it. So every time now you know automatically when you go into that section, it's going to look the way you want it to look with the view templates set up as you want it to appear. So let's close out of that. And again, this one will have to change, but I don't want this here anyway. Let's delete it. Let's delete that one too. And last thing I want to show you is just that it works for elevations as well. So we have an elevation here. Say this is not set up yet, right? Okay. So we have these elevations that that don't have a view template on them. Maybe this one doesn't either, right? But say, I just want to show you real quick that this works for elevations as well. You click here, you can edit the type, you can select which elevation you'd want, maybe overall 16th inch scale, and again, have that checked, and we're good to go. So it won't apply to these current, right? It's not going to change the current view templates. You're going to have to select them because they're already created. But if I went and into view and created another elevation, I think that was a building elevation, I hope. And I added a third down here, a third building elevation. Look at that, overall 16th inch scale. It's got that view template on it. These ones you're gonna have to add later, but kind of nice. You know, let's delete these. We don't want them. Who cares? But yeah, it works for callouts as well. Sections, callouts, any type of section, any type of elevation that you'd like. And it probably works for other things. I just can't come up with it at the moment. But yeah, that's basically all I have for you guys today. Hope you have a great day. If you have any comments, submit them below. I'll try to get to them when I can. Hit that subscribe and like button if any part of this video was helpful to you. Thanks. Have a great day.